welcome to Social Skills with the Well Special Day program. Today we are going over our social filters. Should we think it or say it? What are social filters? Social filters help us know what thoughts are okay to say out loud. Words that spread positivity and encourage conversation, like, "Your outfit looks amazing." "Thank you, so does yours." Social filters also help us know which thoughts we should keep inside our heads. Words that make others feel bad or self-conscious, words that you wouldn't want said to you, like, "Ew, their breath stinks." So why should we use our social filter? Well, there are consequences for the things we say. If we say mean or hurtful things, we could really hurt our friends' feelings, and we definitely don't want to hurt our friends' feelings. A good thing to think about is treating others how we want to be treated. And taking responsibility for our words goes a long way to communicating successfully with those around us. So how do we use our social filter? Well, one simple trick is pausing to think before we speak. Instead of blurting out the first thing that comes to mind in a conversation, stop, take a breath, and ask ourselves 3 questions. Does it need to be said? Does it need to be said by me? And does it need to be said right now? Or can it wait until later? These questions give you a chance to decide whether to think it or say it. Here are some examples of things we should think instead of say. Negative thoughts about someone or something, like, "That's an ugly shirt." Think it. Don't say it. Negative feelings about someone or something. "They're annoying me." Think it. Don't say it. Inappropriate or unexpected words. Definitely think that. Don't say it. Or unkind comments, thoughts, or questions. "Why won't they leave me alone? They're weird." Not okay to say. These are all thoughts that should stay inside our heads so they don't hurt others. Now, on the other hand, positive thoughts about others, like, "Your glasses are so cool." Compliments like, "You are so smart and funny." And kind comments or questions like, "Would you like to come eat lunch with us?" are fantastic to share out loud. It's also important to note that you are always welcome to share your feelings about yourself, both good and bad, because they are valid. However, because we practice thinking before speaking, ask yourself if you want to share your feelings and thoughts in a big group or privately with a trusted friend. By using our social filter, we allow ourselves to focus on positive interactions with those around us. We get to make others feel good about themselves and us. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you would like to practice using your social filter, you can follow the link in the description box below to play a game of Think It or Say It. Let us know how you did by contacting us through Instagram at the Well Special Day program. And follow us for more activities. From all of us here at The Well, we hope you have a great day. Bye!